Good day to all of you, Jack of all at your service. Sa video ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga iba't ibang klaseng jigsaw blade na ginagamit for boss. So, ito yung mga, hindi ito lahat ng blade, pero ito yung mga typical siguro na dapat tayong meron as basic functions para sa ating jigsaw. So, ang jigsaw natin ay lahat ay boss model. So, didiscuss ko muna yung color coding ng boss, which yung gray na blade is for wood, yung blue is for metal, and yung black is for special application. Okay? And then, sige, let's start na. So, start tayo sa wood. So, ito yung mga model name, no? T101B. T101B is for clean cut, special plunge cutting, straight fine cut, suitable siya for softwood, chipboard, work core, plywood, fiberboards, tsaka plastic, tsaka epoxy. For softboards or softwood, up to 30 mm. For plastic naman, pwede siya up to 30 mm. Okay. Shift na tayo dito sa T144DP. Ang T144DP is good also for straight cuts, angle cut, and 90 degrees. Suitable siya for use sa material like softwood, wood core, plywood, fiberboards, doors, and kitchen worktops. So, for softwood, hanggang 50 mm kaya niya. For kitchen worktops, up to 50 mm also. So, itong next is T301CD. So, application nito is for hardwood. Laminated boards, no? Ito ay magpo-produce ng straight fine cuts, no? For hardwood, up to 65 mm thickness, pwede siya. For laminated also, up to 65. Okay. T101CD ito. Okay, next is T101AO. Ito naman is suitable for softwood, plywood, laminated boards, pero hanggang 15 mm lang siya. Pwede rin siyang mag-produce ng curve cuts, round cut, and ang pag-cut niya is clean cut. Okay? So, for softboards, up to 15 mm. For plywood naman, up to 15 mm din. Laminated also, 15 mm. Yun. Okay. So, for wood, I have 4 blades. Okay. Shift tayo sa metal. So, let's start with T118A. So, ito is para siya sa thin sheet of metal up to 1.5 mm thickness. So, ang finished product niya is straight fine cut, no? Okay. Next tayo. So, itong T318A. So, straight fine cut. Ano siya? Straight fine cut din siya for use ng material as thin sheet of metal. Pwede siyang mag-cut ng pipes at saka aluminum. So, for metal plate, up to 3 mm lang. For pipe, up to 65 mm thickness. So, for aluminum, ganoon din, up to 65 mm thickness. So, for pipe, what I mean by 65 mm is, yun yung diameter. So, for almost about 3 inches, kaya niya i-cut. 2 to 3, or let's say, just 2.5 inches, pwede niya i-cut. Okay, let's shift to 218A. So, 218A, T218A, application pa rin niya is metal, 14 sheet of metal. So, ang pinagkaiba niya sa T118A, ang T118A is for straight cuts, while itong T218A is for curve cuts. Okay? Okay, the last one for metal is the T227D. So, also for metal, for sheet metal up to 15 mm, aluminum is up to 30 mm, plastic epoxy is up to 30 mm also. Application, pwede, actually, itong T227D, pwede siya sa wood with metal. So, ibig sabihin, example, if you're cutting woods with nails na hindi mo mabunot, pwede itong T227D na pangkat. Pwede rin siya as well as this T227D, pwede rin siya mag-cut ng pipe profiles. Pero up or not more than 30 mm pipe profile, meaning about 3/4 inch pipe lang siya. And this one is also specialized in curve cuts also and round cuts. Okay, so we have also 4 blades for our jigsaw metal. And the last one, which I prepared din na dapat meron ako, is this one, T150RF. So, ang pinaka primary function niya is to cut ceramic tiles. So, ito ay coated ng tungsten carbide with grit 50. So, ang application niya is soft ceramic wall tiles. Pwede rin siya sa cast iron up to 10 mm thickness. And ang cut niya is fine straight cut. Okay. So, ayun. So, ito na lahat yung aking jigsaw blade. Total of 9 jigsaw blade for this video. I hope you learned something. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo. That's all.